We've got Colin in today from Wardrobe Design Centre. Colin, what is the key to maximising space when it comes to wardrobes?
Yeah, thanks Tom. We find that the way to maximise the space is to do a simple evaluation of what's used most frequently and make sure that that's very easy to get to. So things like your socks and jocks, you want to find them easy when you come out of the ensuite. You want to find them in the drawers, so open up the drawers and you can find how simple things are.
Yes.
Then have the hanging space you're using most frequently, which would be the tops and the shirts and jackets.
That's right.
And put the jeans or slacks underneath. And then those are ladies for the dresses. Got some longer hanging space to maximise that. And then if it's winter like now, using some shelving will be a very fantastic way to maximise the effectiveness of all that space.
And for those people that like the jewellery easily accessed, what have we got here?
Yeah, so having a place to put everything, and of course have everything in its place. This will keep it very neat. So the rings and the key and the bangles and watches all have a nice neat space in here, and can do that with a bit of style at the same time.
Beautifully presented. Come in and check out the Wardrobe Design Centre showroom here at the Build and Design Centre. It's a beautiful space here 7 days.